Do you ever feel overwhelmed by all the demands of managing your online social media presence? Well, what if I told you that there's actually a way to increase your brand visibility and audience engagement, all while saving time? From tracking analytics to responding to comments and then brainstorming creative content ideas, managing social media can feel like a full-time job. But don't worry, because social media automation is something that can rescue you from the chaos. So, why should you care about automating your social media strategy? Well, let me break it down for you. Firstly, automation turbocharges your content creation process. No more wasting hours scheduling posts or struggling to come up with a caption. With automation, you can stream everything from brainstorming ideas to crafting the perfect message in a fraction of the time. Consistency is key in the social media game. By automating your post, you ensure a steady flow of content, even while you're tied up with other tasks or taking a well-deserved break. This consistency not only boosts brand loyalty, but also keeps your audience engaged and hungry for more. And perhaps most importantly, automation frees up your time so you can put your energy into what matters the most, which of course is growing your business. Instead of being bogged down by the daily grind of social media management, you can redirect your energy towards expanding your reach, nurturing client relationships, or brainstorming that next innovative campaign. So whether you're a small business owner or a social media enthusiast, automation is the key to unlocking your full potential online. Now that we know the why, let's dive into our top 5 tips on automating your social media strategy. Number 1 is to use GenAI for content ideas. Say goodbye to the struggle of brainstorming content ideas daily. Utilize generative AI tools such as ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas tailored to your niche and business. For example, if you're a small bakery gearing up for the holiday season, ChatGPT can give you some great, engaging content ideas, such as posting your top baking tips or your favorite holiday treats. Remember to personalize suggestions for different platforms and audiences. Boost your content's visibility with hashtag managers. With Plann, you can create custom hashtag sets or explore suggested hashtag sets that are specific to your industry. For example, if you're a fitness coach, Plann can suggest relevant hashtags like hashtag FitLife or hashtag workout motivation. This ensures your posts reach a broader audience interested in fitness content. Number 3 is leverage for AI captions. You can combat writer's block with AI-powered caption generators such as Plann's caption generator. Input your basic instructions and desired tone, and let the tool craft engaging captions in record time. Imagine effortlessly creating captivating captions for your posts and driving traffic to your website without the hassle of staring at a blinking cursor. Number 4 is to repurpose content across channels. Don't let your hard work go to waste. Repurpose content effortlessly with tools like Plann's cross-posting feature. For example, you can transform an Instagram carousel into a Facebook post in a snap. Number 5 is to batch and schedule content. You can streamline your social media strategy by batching and scheduling content in advance using Plann's visual planner and auto scheduling feature. You'll be able to schedule multiple posts across platforms, ensuring consistency and alignment with your business objectives. By scheduling content ahead of time, you can navigate daily obstacles seamlessly, maintaining a strong online presence without constant manual intervention. By implementing these actionable tips, you'll not only save time, but also elevate your social media game. By embracing automation, you can work smarter, not harder, and really focus on what matters, which is growing your business. Check out the description below for even more helpful articles on how to automate your social media. And until next time, happy planning.